Welcome everyone back to part 3 of this Land Rover discovery restoration process. This episode we're going to be fully detailing the vehicle. If you watched the previous episode, you'll know that we've stripped the car, we've fully painted the vehicle, we've rectified every single dent on the vehicle, and now it's ready to be polished. But before we do that, we need to fully prepare the vehicle by fully decontaminating it over at Onyx Automotive inside their preparation bay, which we're going to get to right now. Now the vehicle has gone through our stage 3 machine polish process, it is now time to focus our attention on the interior. All the interior was completely discoloured and caked with dirt, so now it is time to rectify that issue inside the next episode, so stay tuned.